Yeah.
All right, hold on. Hold on. Well, this hotel's right there.
You want to undo the rope?
Yeah.
What a day, what a day.
Yeah, it
You
happens.
see this often, really?
Yeah, all the time. That's why they put that sign down there at the end, but, you know, because it's sideways, nobody's really looking at it.
How the fuck else are you supposed to launch?
Right.
The boat wasn't
Just
coming
get
off the
momentum
trailer.
and just swing it off.
Yeah, I build docks, and all the time we come down here try to launch our barge, and because it's so big, that would happen to us about every time. We'd have to use the barge to pick the back end of our trailer up. So, y'all said y'all was staying at Indigo, right? Y'all in a little walking area right here that goes into the dirt. There's a boat ramp right there beside a floating dock.
Better?
Yeah, I mean, it's got a full ramp. Well, good luck, guys. Had a code switch.
Huh? I'm gonna bring it back.
Y'all ain't know a white person code switch, do you?